Alright, I'm going to show you this little beauty. This is a 25 FB signature. Gorgeous. So let's step inside and take a look at this. When you step in, you can see the beautiful layout. There's a lot of storage in this little spot here. You have storage up here above the sink, and it's lighted. I think that's a real good feature. You can keep your dishes right over the sink, which is really handy. Has stainless steel sink here. Below we have storage also, like a little Lady Susan type. So that works out real nice. Here you have your storage for your cutlery, and it has a removable. How handy is that? You take it right to the table. It's really a nice feature, I think. A lot of drawers here. You have your microwave oven. You have your burner, of course. And up here, more storage on the side. Come through here and look at this. What about that? Isn't that fantastic? To keep all your spices, canned goods, all of your products that you're going to cook with. That is really a handy place right by your stove where you cook. And then you have storage up here as well. And then you have your refrigerator, well, I probably should show you a little bit about the living room. Nice sofa area, nice table. And down here you have storage underneath where you can keep your things. Can't ever have too much storage. Nice rounded window. I like the curvature of the window. Storage up above. You have your radio, and here you can put they have a DVD player. All this lighting helps to give light into the room as well. All the windows, fantastic fan also up here, which is nice for circulation. And this I thought was a fantastic feature because you have a little blind. If the sun is just right here, you just pull the shade closed. Otherwise, open it up. You can see the moon. That's really a nice feature. Refrigerator. Nice size refrigerator and freezer. This is really, really nice. And then, of course, more storage. And storage up here. And you have storage down here. And take you into the bedroom, give you a panoramic view of that. It goes around. All the storage up above the bed. That is nice. You also have storage here for hanging your clothing. Nice size closet. And you have storage also here. Nice deep drawers. And as you see, they have these folding doors that you can have some privacy. You have a TV on this wall. Come take a look at this clean, lovely bathroom. A nice medicine cabinet right here, which holds whatever you might have, that's for sure. And they also put the towel racks in here, and they're all nice stainless steel. There's storage down below. There's storage upper and lower on that side of the toilet as well. Nice stainless steel sink. So this is very nice. And then the shower. I'll get in this one, you can see how this looks. standing here. It's okay for me. Probably 6 foot. You might have to bend a little. But I like the quality of everything. It just looks so nice. It really, really does looks nice. Has a little seat where you can sit down. And you also have your hanger. You want to dry out your swimming suit or your towels, wash rags, little hanger in there. That's nice. Also a fantastic fan in the bathroom. And back in here they have a fan. So there are lots of amenities here. This has got a cover on the stove. There you go, show special, $89,884.
No.
Discount price, $79,987. So you better get up here quick. Pick up this little beauty. Has a nice antenna over, canopy over the front. Storage here in the back. Very pretty that window. Beautiful. Backup camera, yep, right there. It's a backup camera.
Do you have any questions?
Over here we have some storage under here. Around the back. Yeah. This is nice. It's got the cover over it that you can bring it down over the window. Privacy. Nice container here for your gas tanks. Okay, a beautiful thing, isn't it? I know you enjoyed looking at that. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.